folks, Aaron here. I've got a special little banjo ukulele to show you today. You know, I'm calling this one my Scout Banjo Uke, and my Scout instruments are the ones I make from shop scraps when I find the time, with a more humble decorative scheme and a little more bit of a folk art type instrument. And so I made a banjo ukulele with that in mind. So this is made from scraps and parts left around from other projects, and it was time to just get it together. So the rim, instead of my normal block rim, this is like a little thin maple drum shell, lacquered black. It's got less hooks and nuts than usual, and I made a tension hoop and then darkened all the brass and a stained goatskin head. And then it's got fir and cherry for everything else. It's got a flat fretboard, bone nut, geared tuners, fluorocarbon strings. It's got a fir and cherry bridge. And I think it turned out great. So it's soprano scale, which is shorter than I normally make it, and it's got a good lightweight feel to it. So and also this thinner rim gives more of a vintage tone. It reminds me of the instruments from the teens and 20s a little bit more. It was a really fun project. So I don't know if I'll get to more of these or not, but there's one that's going to be available right now. So this is number 640, right? No, sorry, 670. Yeah, it's really fun. So this is going to be on the website in a minute, and head on over there to grab it. Cheers.